and you can watch us cooking.
Walk with me as long as I what?
Walking car.
Today is Easter Sunday, y'all, and we cooking some mac and cheese. I'm just gonna pour the elbow macaroni.
Get off the macaroni.
All of it. That's enough.
Now today's Easter roll.
Yeah, but we call it Resurrection Sunday. We got our spoon.
Mommy, if that was like a little bit like this.
So y'all, we had an amazing day at church. It was lit.
It was lit.
So my pastor message today was, it passed.
Lit.
I'm making some macaroni and then we're gonna make some rice.
I call it macaroni cheese. Macaroni cheese. I just call it.
Yeah, we just call it macaroni and cheese.
Yep.
And what else we gonna make today?
Easter cupcakes.
Pizza cupcakes.
I said Easter cupcakes.
Easter cupcakes. What's on your cupcakes? So we're gonna have a day full of fun. So we were supposed to have like a Easter egg hunt, like a spring fest in my church, but it was raining yesterday, so we canceled. So we about to make some of these cupcakes. I also got them some activities, y'all.
Oh yeah, this one for Ava, this one for me, so we can share.
Yeah, one for Ava, one for you. Ava, give Ava hers. So this the macaroni, y'all. Powder rice, and then I'm about to drain these green beans and add some seasoning to it. As y'all can tell in the video, Harmony did not help me do nothing.
Yeah.
You did not help me cook.
I bet you cook by yourself. And I just don't want to do one part. I just want to now want to play.
But you played the entire time we ate. We cooked.
No, so
But you gonna eat, right?
yeah.
See? Greedy. You gotta help cook to eat. Not today? Okay, I understand. All right, let's get Ava together. Say hey, Ava. Guys, so we're about to do some activities now.
Yeah, we're doing two activities.
We just woke up from a nap. Okay?
You're still tired, Mom. You should wake up.
Yes, I'm tired.
You're still tired. Hi, Sweetie.
Hey.
I'll wait.
Marker. Okay. So this is our bunny, you guys. And I'm pretty much about to do Ava's. Ava just like poking her stuff out. Want to show them your bunny so far?
Yep.
All right, show them your bunny. Ava over here coloring her bunny purple. Don't listen to instructions at all. See? No. Okay. Okay. Ava. Okay. Y'all, so she's learning the word no. She's not really saying no to me. But it's just a word that she's learning at this stage. There you go. Call it that.
No, I'm getting sticky.
You need help, Harmony? If you need help, just say you need help.
I need help, please.
You trying to put that on your bunny?
Yeah.
Bring it here. Okay, bring it here, please. So, give me some stuff. Very big on like activities that they can do. This is like very simple. I actually got this activity from Dollar Tree for like $1.25.
Why would you keep ripping my stuff?
It's okay, Mommy.
But I don't want to.
She didn't mean to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you forgive her, right? Okay.
This is my bunny, y'all.
So cute. I love it.
Oh, you
The bunny got a
think
pretty smile.
pretty. It was actually like this way.
Is it hard?
No, it was so easy.
Super easy. Like I said, I only spent like $1.25 on it. Y'all remember when Dollar Tree used to be like $1? Could have got both of these for $2. Dollar Tree, I guess we're in inflation. They're in inflation, baby. I ain't, because I serve a God that's better than inflation. Okay? Inflation ain't gonna hit this over here. It ain't gonna hit this household because my God is abundant. That's what you gotta speak of your life. My God is abundant. Supplies all of my needs. Say it again, babe. Glory. All right.
No.
I'm gonna show y'all her musical instruments before she go to bed.
Yep.
All right, get some rice out the camera. There you go. Okay. Well, you sure the rice not gonna fall through these holes?
No.
Okay, you hold it. I want the rice. Sit down. That's enough rice? Okay.
Close it.
Okay, show them that you close it.
Oh, that's
There you
fine.
go. So she put some rice in it.
Yep.
She's closing it. Sit down, Ava.
Now we put tape.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So kind of just slicked my hair back into a ponytail, y'all. I was feeling very much down, and I get to feeling like that sometimes because I'm just being transparent. Like with my Christian walk, a lot of times I don't feel like I have friends. I'm not even gonna lie, some days it get lonely. So y'all, I'm backing out of traffic. Well, not traffic, y'all, out my driveway. So hold on. I don't know how to back up, y'all, unless I'm looking the rear, honestly, the rear view camera, the back camera, whatever they call it. And I kind of just also look around, but all right, because my biggest fear is hitting a little kid. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to y'all, so let me put my seatbelt on. Let me stop right quick and put my seatbelt on. Okay. So let's go. Hey y'all, so we made it to the park. Harmony, wait. So we made it to the park, as y'all can see.
I'm here now.
You wanna put your juice in here? So I got Ava in her stroller. We're first gonna go for a walk. Then after our walk, we're gonna go play at the playground so they get this energy out. Are you talking to the duck? Yeah, come on. Come this way. We gonna pass by when we come back. Come on. You gonna get to see the animals. It's a lot of stuff out here to see. So it is so freaking gorgeous out here. It's so pretty.
Mom, you can't go that way or you get lost.
No, we won't. I went this way before.
Huh?
I went this way before. It's another playground on the other side too.
What?
Yeah.
I can see the playground. It's
Where? Y'all, this is so cute. Where? Oh, you see it over there? Yeah, I like that playground too. And it's a dog park over there too. It's a dog park over there too. But yeah, we just enjoying this beautiful weather. Get these kids out for a reason. Y'all probably can't even see me. There's no reason.
You say that word.
There's no reason not to be outside at all. Because it's still like cool out here, but mommy needs to walk. Harmony needs to walk, and Ava needs to take a nap.
There's right there is the room. Yes. You should go.
Now look at this tree. There was a wasp. Oh, they don't have any mail today.
No.
Come on, I don't think they rang yet. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.